How to monetize TikTok account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can monetize TikTok account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Monetizing a TikTok account is straightforward if you follow the right strategies and meet TikTok's eligibility requirement. So here's how you can do it. But before that, ensure your account is eligible. That means you have to be 18 years or older. You have to have at least 10,000 followers and accumulate at least 1 lakh video views in last 30 days and reside in a country where TikTok's creator fund is available. So if you meet all that criteria, here's how you can monetize. First of all, you have to launch the TikTok application. And make sure that you're logged in with your account. If you're logged in, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you're on the profile piece, now navigate towards the top right corner and tap on the 3-line icon. From this pop-up box, tap on TikTok Studio. Once you're here, as you can see, there is a monetization section. Tap on View All. So from this page, you can monetize your TikTok account, but before that, you must meet the criteria to start monetizing. There are different methods for you to monetize. First one, subscriptions. Second one, video gifts, or you can work with artists. So according to your preferences, choose one from there. If you choose the subscriptions, here it says, build your community with subscription and get paid. Now, for 1 subscriber, you will receive $2 per month. So make sure to read all of this information. Since I'm not eligible, I don't have a feature to join subscriptions. But if you do, there is join subscriptions at the bottom of this interface. Simply tap on it, and then your account will get monetized. Similarly, there are a few more options. Video gifts, work with artists, to monetize your account, and that's how you can monetize your TikTok account. That's all for today's video, and hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.